Hey everybody, Trader Razor here. Let's get right to the point and talk about what's grabbing all the headlines and rattling markets this week. The latest round of U.S. China trade talks. Okay, so here's what's happening. For the very first time since Trump ramped up tariffs, top officials from the U.S. and China are meeting face to face in Geneva. On the U.S. side, we have Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Trade Representative Jamieson Greer, both sitting at the table. And the Chinese delegation is coming straight from Beijing. This is really a big deal because these are the highest level economic talks we've seen so far. So you're probably wondering, why does any of this matter? After Trump hiked tariffs on Chinese imports to a whopping 145%, China retaliated with 125% tariffs on US goods. That's not just some clickbait number I'm throwing at you. Those percentages have a real impact. There's potential for significantly higher future prices for everyday products, supply chain headaches, and American companies in China rethinking their business plans. Should they keep their production in China? And honestly, the whole world is watching these talks closely. Companies have been canceling their orders and putting their expansion plans on pause. And on the flip side, China's leaders have been crystal clear. They're prepared to endure economic hardship for the bigger national goal. Translation, they're really in no rush to make any concessions. So, is there any hope at all for a breakthrough? Anything is possible. Just getting both sides back at the table is a positive sign, but I don't expect an overnight solution. These issues run deep. There's a lot of mistrust between both sides, and both governments have very, very different priorities. Here's what I expect next week. Increased market volatility as news comes out of Geneva. Big headlines can move stocks in either direction fast. And at the end of the day, these talks are a step forward. But the road to a real deal looks long, it looks complicated. My advice is just to stay informed and don't get caught off guard by sudden market swings. I'd love to know what you think. Are we headed for progress or just more uncertainty? Share your thoughts below and follow Conquer Wall Street so you never miss an update that could help you protect your investments and spot new opportunities.